So hello, my name is Daisy. Not really sure what I can say about me, to be honest, but I've just started university at Portsmouth and I thought I'd do something a little bit crazy, a little bit cool, a little bit different. So I signed up to climb Mount Kilimanjaro, the tallest freestanding mountain on the planet and the tallest one in Africa by rather a lot, for the charity Practical Action. Practical Action do some great work in developing countries. They use technology to try and help people out, so they've done some really cool stuff like solar powered water pumps, stuff like that. And I now have to raise £2,850 for them, and it's a lot. I am completely blown away with how much I have to raise, but I think it can be done with the help of you people out there. So, my offer unto you, I will put in a link below, my fundraising website, and if I can get, let's call it £800 by the third week of November, all of this, I will shave. I will get rid of all of this hair which I've cultivated for years. I will shave it all off for charity. So if you guys want to see this completely gone, then please get donating. Even if, you know, it's just £1 or a couple of dollars or anything you've got at all, it's all going to a great cause. It'd be very much appreciated and you'd really be doing some good in the world. Okay, thanks guys, bye.